Alright, I got a problem with one of my knobs on my cheap little old air conditioner. But when I'm trying to turn it on, it don't turn anything on or off. And the problem being, see how it's cracked right there and right there? Excuse my dirty nails, I've been working outside. But see that crack? And if it were held together, it would turn it. But it's flipping around on the outside of it. So we're going to try to repair the crack. I got some stuff that is made for plastic, and we'll see if it won't repair that plastic right there. Alright. Gotta give me some pliers just to get that one off. I know it'll go back on this top one and work. I'm gonna move it up here, and I'm gonna move this one that we repaired. Oops. See, that's the one we repaired. I want to see if it'll turn. Turn that knob and turn it off. I'm probably going to move it back up here because it's a weaker knob, and it's better to have the unrepaired down to the bottom. But let's see if it'll work. Nope, didn't work. So it did not hold. Yeah, see where it come apart? Right there. Came back apart right there. I'm going to go repair that thing again. It ain't going to beat me, I don't think. It might beat me. I don't think it's going to. We'll see. Alright. Try number 2. Alright. This is going to be attempt number 2 to fix this thing. That other stuff, that E6000 didn't work on this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try some WD-40. If this don't fix it, well, I need to go get a new knob anyway, I think. But alright, there's some steel. You're supposed to put the same amount of hardener on there. I'll put a little more hardener because I want it to set up a little quicker. Alright, and mix it up until it turns gray. Alright. Alrighty. We're going to say that is enough. Now if it'll harden enough to where it don't drip off of there, I think we'll be okay. Alright, here's attempt number 2. I'll see you tomorrow and we'll see how that one works. So that's it for now. Alright, let's been a day or so. Check out and see what this thing looks like. Looks pretty good. And I'm going to let it off. Maybe if I can one-handed. Yeah, let's get under the light and maybe I can see a little better. Alright. I don't think it moved whenever I turned it loose at all. And that not WD, thinking about WD-40 again. That JB Weld, once it sets, it ain't going nowhere. And I got it all the way around where it can hold itself. So let's go see if that thing will actually work and hold with JB Weld. The other stuff didn't work. Let's see if this will work. And after that, I think I'll give up and just go buy a couple of knobs, which I should have done in the beginning, I guess. But anyway, I guess that's it for now. Let's go in there and see if this thing will work. Alright, here's our repaired one. Went ahead and pulled the other one off. This is the one that clicks, and this is the one that you can turn with your fingers. But the one that clicks is the one that is broke. So I'm going to put this right back on there. And let's see if it works. And it works. So our little repair job did work. But I'm going to put this knob at the top because that one's easier to turn. And I'll put the other knob. Put the other knob down here because it ain't never been tore up or hadn't been tore up yet. Not broke yet. There we go. Now we're back to normal. It looks normal, but repaired. Had the JB Weld, didn't cost nothing. So there we go. Just a money saver, a little bit of a money saver. What, maybe 50 cents, $1, maybe for two. I don't know. But penny saved, penny earned, I guess. Alright, I guess that's it for now. Y'all take care and stay safe.